The earth is about to get more crowded, and some of its people a lot richer and some a lot poorer. There are, however, some looming challenges to us in the Caribbean, achieving our goals of growth and development. A UBS Wealth Management report identifies 3 basic trends. The first is high prices for basic necessities point to growing scarcities. This means that more people with more money will demand more of the basics. Secondly, efficiency in the hidden resources of energy, food, and water will be a key to the future. High prices, climate change, and urbanization are key drivers here. Thirdly, technology and public policy can unlock this potential gain. This means that companies with products that boost efficiency in any of these hidden resources stand to profit. A hidden truth about most Caribbean islands is that they continue to experience chronic freshwater shortages due to climate change, drought conditions, and a growing demand of tourist arrivals. On March 17, 2017, a cabinet report revealed that for over 2 days earlier this week, freshwater production across the nation was at its lowest level it has ever been. That is even lower than in the years of drought. What we are witnessing in Antigua is a water deficit situation, in which the rate of replenishment, which is rainfall, remains continuously below the rate of utilization of the nation's water supply. The footprint of water deficit islands in the Eastern Caribbean has 2 obvious origins. The first is that the annual rainfall level in Dominica is as high as 8 times the level in Antigua and most of the other islands. The second is that tourism is a major component of the economy of most islands. Indeed, tourists arriving on most islands outnumber the local population by as much as 5 to 1. In a water deficit region like ours, the obvious solution would be to move fresh water from the only water surplus island, Dominica, to the remaining water-stressed islands in the Eastern Caribbean. This is essentially what our project proposes to do. As a commercial venture, this is very attractive when we recognize that the total monthly water deficit of 4 major islands, Antigua, Anguilla, St. Martin, and St. Lucia, is equal to 219 million gallons. At an offer price of $28 per 1,000 gallons, this would mean a business opportunity of $5.7 million per month, or $68.5 million annually. We are proposing a 4-point business venture. Buy bulk water supplies from the Dominica Water and Sewerage Company, known as the WASCO. Use tugboats and barges to ship water to the farthest destination market and still be competitive with desalination costs of US $39 and private trucked supplies at US $84 per 1,000 gallons. Make no mistake about it, this is a pioneering venture with no precedents except under emergency conditions in the 1990s, when water was barged from Dominica to Antigua and paid for by institutional grant funds. The demonstration effect, however, is likely to be huge, as water availability is a growing problem for the economic survival of the Caribbean islands. The Deloitte Touche Review in 2014 warned investors to be aware of investments in water shortage countries because you can't always buy what you need. By the very nature of our project and the timely role it will play in the economic and social development of our islands, current and future investors and our Caribbean people will continue to have the confidence that they will be able to buy the fresh water supplies that they need. Thank you.